23C, take one.
And action. No, you just stay right there. Because what she says over there, it's a long shot. I can come back to the long.
She had me doing it like a head ass. She like, arms up.
Yeah. You got the strap on ready?
Arms up.
How's that feel?
Feel kind of gay.
Here we are, day one filming of Instafamous. Look at this guy, one of the stars right here. That's his bodyguard in the back, and here's my assistant. Could you get your lines right, man?
Shut up.
All right, and here we go. How many tattoos do you have?
I got enough, folks. No more locked doors, this thing.
Man. Andrew. My guy, you got all the sound of everything in the world. You can hear everything. All right, what do you need?
I just need to put this through your shirt.
Okay.
It's not bothering you or anything. The tape isn't like
No.
your
It's
chest.
good. I've had many things on my chest. Don't worry about me.
I'm just gonna put this in the back of your shorts. That's okay, right?
Very okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please bring on to the main stage. Oh my God!
What the towel at, bro? I thought you
That's great. Nigga got the towel in his hand.
Right, yeah. The towel down here. I seen it somewhere. Holding that bitch.
This is gonna be a hilarious scene right here.
Man, this shit's about to be stupid.
Watch how cool this camera is. That's all I got for you, man. First of all, when I first discovered that, I was so excited. Are you kidding? You got nothing?
I'm so underwhelmed.
It's the director right here, Mr. Jones.
That's right. What's up? That's Perry right there.
Bro,
AKA that Ray.
where you guys been? We are almost done.
Hey, you got your script, bro? You got some
I already got it memorized.
Alright, cool. Yo, we didn't know we had this shit.
He's saying that for his YouTube videos.
He's gotta learn how to skateboard real quick.
I was practicing a little bit yesterday. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take it out again today. Get this shit right. You feel me?
That means he have no idea what the fuck he's doing. We gotta somehow make it work. Man. I don't know how long it's been, but we gotta wait for this dude to mow his lawn, and he's got the biggest lot on the block. Oh my God.
Boss camera. Oh yeah.
Turn. So you want to shut us off?
Yeah.
I ain't Jake with her.
B, you want them niggas laughing on set?
That shit sounds so official though.
I swear.
Hey, Ray. Step up.
You want them? They ain't taking this comedy serious.
Turn it just a little bit.
Scene 23C, take two.
And action.
That's it, people. Day one on set, day one filming, we done. I cannot wait to keep filming some more. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, stay fresh, stay golden.